Okay, do you want to be able to see yourself?
No.
Oh, leave the screen up like that.
Yeah, like
okay.
that.
Do you want to say hi first?
No.
Okay.
Let's start getting to work. Wait, you don't have to say
I'm just going to put it down a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. There.
Okay. So after you gone, when you're gone, then I'll start like talking. Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a boat. So go to me, or not me, I don't have a channel, but go to me and I build boats, tons. Tiny boats, big boats, or wait, big boat? I'm gonna make a big boat today, so I'll show you how to make a big boat. So first, you gotta get a nail, and then a hammer, see? And see this? Tons of nails going here. This is how you make a boat. Okay, just gotta put a nail in and then what?
Why don't you show them your drawing?
My drawing? I don't know where it is.
It's in the garage.
No. Oh, right.
On the clipboard.
Oh, so this is the clipboard. You can tell. And then we have the next page. This is my boat, and this is Sophia's boat. Okay, so that's what the plan is that I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna have to get more wood, okay? That's what I just wanted. Okay, put that there. Held. This is Damien doing this for Sophia, and Mike and cousin watch this. And I'm gonna get like two, like I'm gonna make one like here, 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 and then putting it out. Okay. Still see.
Oh?
Making a boat with the.
Still recording?
Yeah, I can still see the me. It's still,
I always see you, but never recording.
yeah, it's still going. It is going all right. It's going. It's going. What?
How many nails are you using?
Not too many.
No?
No. It's still recording. Hello, little guy. I'm not gonna come chase you. I'm just working. How would I chase you? You're so fast. And you're cute. And Daddy, there's this girl over there. He's in the bush now. Come closer, guys.
So this is Damien's final product of the boat, right?
I add the bottom to it.
Yeah, and you added a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So what are you doing to it now?
Wrapping it.
We gotta strap it to your wagon so we can take it to the beach.
Yeah.
Guess where we can strap it to?
So we can try and see if it floats. What do you think it's gonna float?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have to go on it.
On it. Oh my
Did
goodness.
you bring a towel in case you fall in?
No.
Maybe you should bring a towel?
Yeah. I still have part of it.
Okay, can you pull it for me? Pull it. No, pull. No, no, pull. Pull this. Pull it towards you. Pull. 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 Pull.
You have to strap it.
I'm going to. Is that as tight as you can get it?
Yeah. We need it pretty tight on there. I think that's stable.
Think it's good?
Yeah.
Is it gonna come off?
Nope. No.
And you just go-
And then we have to put this into the water.
Do we?
Pipe.
What's the
Maybe I
pipe
should
for?
Get a,
All right, you ready?
maybe you should get a towel.
Well, let's just see if it's gonna float first, and then we'll come back and get a towel if we need a towel.
Yeah.
Let's just try and get it to float.
I had the bottom. I'm gonna show them underneath the bottom of it.
Take it for a paint blue.
So that's what I added right down there. And then you can tell I get more and some more details in there.
A little
And,
vlogger in training. Should we stop the camera down so we can put it on there and take it with us?
Hey, don't touch the. I don't want you to touch the lens, though. Okay? You're more than welcome to use my camera, but I don't want you. It's floating, dude! Look at me. Whoa!
Okay. Success.
Yep. Daddy,
Come on,
I'll
Timmy.
need one.
I don't know who.
Okay, do you want to say goodbye to...
No.
Well, you have to end your video. Say
Another
goodbye.
one.
Say goodbye then.
Say thanks for watching.